quick how to use the calculator to do one of these summations. So it's going to be pretty easy. We just go to the math button, and I just like to scroll up because it's a little faster. We want to go to the summation button right here. Now, some of the older calculators aren't going to have this particular button, so make sure you look at the notes because it'll get into more of the older calculators how to do those. But with these new ones, again, all we do is we press math, go up to summation, press enter, and then we're just going to make it look exactly like what's on our paper. Now, typically you're going to see an N or an I as your variable. You can use an X if you want. I always just use an X. So for example, I'll just say X is equal to 1 up to 12. So again, all we're doing is we're just making this look exactly like what we see on our paper. Really easy to do. That's it. Okay? So again, you just go to the math button, go up to summation. Now, if you don't have summation here, or if it looks a little different, again, make sure you take a look at the notes, and example 7 will kind of show you how to do that. Okay? So again, pretty straightforward. Just make sure that your variable matches up. Whatever variable you're using down here, like I use an X, I got to make sure that I use an X in here. All right, and that's it.